All right, guys, we got a 2009 Jaguar XK, a rare bird. She's got a lot of miles on her, but she's clean. As you guys can see, he's owned it for over 5 years. Got factory converters in there, and he's been a fan of exhaust addicts since the start, over 3 years now. And then he's got an aftermarket X pipe that was put on somewhere else. And then what we did is we did a rear muffler delete for him there and there, and put them some 4-inch roll tips out the back. There and right there, as you guys can see. Came out really clean, really beautiful. So we did a rear muffler delete for him. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. I love the look of them, man. They're so sexy. Give me gas? Yeah, much better. Wow. Jaguar XK. That's sexy. Sound decibels. Again? Right at 98. Again? Go on and back it up. That sounds awesome. Especially with that exhaust addict stuff. That's awesome. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Really sexy car. Something different than what you guys usually see. X-pipe and muffler delete. So basically straight pipe. Got sexy tips on it too.